guys, what's up? It's Explosion here, and just a quick birthday vlog. Today's my birthday! Not that I really care or anything, but it's just my birthday. It's a nice, beautiful morning, as you can see, in Cortez, Colorado, at my mom's house. I'm gonna get a massage today. I think that's the right thing to do. I'll keep vlogging about today. We're going to laser tag with Dante. Which I shouldn't have said his name, but I guess I've already did. And I don't have the editing skills to edit it out because I'm vlogging from my phone. But yeah. So hopefully today we could vlog some more with... I'm just gonna call him Dante. Sorry, Dante. But yeah, we'll be vlogging at laser tag. So yeah, this is Exposure, guys. And for right now, have a great day. What's up? This is Dante. One second. Oh, you're gonna see this. Oh, Jesus Christ. I don't think you can see her. Oh, Jesus Christ, it's funny. Oh, God. What the hell? You've gone insane, Star. Since you put that crown on your head, you've gone insane. Now you look like a stupid bunny. Oh, you're retarded. God. Oh, Jesus.